You ever notice how when you're really stressed and other people can tell, they love to say, just breathe, take it easy. Like, thanks, Karen, but if it were that simple, I wouldn't be out here having an existential crisis over a late Amazon package. But here's the thing. Breathing is one of the most powerful tools we have for mental health. It controls our whole nervous system, regulates stress, and even affects our sleep, digestion, mood, and anxiety levels. The problem? Most people breathe all wrong. I've tested tons of breathing techniques over the years. Some have worked, some were basically just fancy hyperventilation. But one method stands out as the GOAT for calming anxiety and reducing long-term stress. It's called 4-7-8 breath. It's simple, fast, and clinically backed. I'm Dr. David Danish, the most curious psychiatrist you'll ever meet, and today I'm going to show you how to use this technique to instantly calm your nervous system and build stress resilience over time. The 4-7-8 approach was popularized recently by Dr. Andrew Weil, but the roots go back to ancient yoga practices. The secret here is the timing involved. So we're gonna breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This specific ratio taps into your parasympathetic nervous system, aka your body's built-in chill mode, the opposite of the sympathetic or adrenaline one. Okay, the benefits can be amazing. Instant stress relief. Studies show that controlled breathing lowers cortisol, which is one of your stress hormones, in minutes. Second, better sleep. This is one of the best breathing techniques for falling asleep fast. So if your brain turns into an overthinking DJ set at bedtime, this is for you. Third, it fixes your nervous system. If you're someone who's always stuck in fight or flight mode, this helps shift your body into a rest and digest mode instead. Fourth, sharper focus and more emotional control. This breathing approach improves oxygen flow to your brain, making you feel clearer, calmer, and more in control. Okay, before you really get into it, let me give you a few tips. 1, if you're new to breathwork, you might feel a little lightheaded at first. Totally normal. Just start slow. 2, consistency is everything. You'll feel better immediately, but the real power of this happens when you do this daily, over time. It helps prevent anxiety before it comes after a while. So let's try this together. Are you ready? Okay. First, exhale fully through your mouth with a whoosh sound. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. And then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Another soft whoosh. That's 1 full cycle. Repeat it 4 times in a row, ideally twice a day. Now here's your next step. Try this for a week, then drop a comment below and let me know how it's working for you. Do it multiple times per day if possible, and do a few successive runs. Make sure to subscribe for more science-backed mental health strategies, and I put together a free handout that breaks down 4-7-8 breathing and how to use it for different situations. To get it, just hit the subscribe button and then hit the link in the notes below, and it'll bring you to a sign-in page where you can access that information. Now, take a deep breath. Your mind will thank you for it.